Hi guys, it's Bria. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing a at-home DIY console table. So I'm just going to grab my wood. I purchased two 2x4s and one 2x8. I had them both cut in half at Home Depot. Now we're going to move upstairs to our location. So I'm just going to lay a covering down to secure my floor. Okay, listen, I am extremely bummy right now. I do not want to mess my clothes up. So this is what you're going to get. And I have a hair wrap on to protect my hair and also a wig. These are all of my tools that I will be using today. So I'm just going to prepare myself to get ready to start the process. So now I'm going to apply gloves to protect my little hands. Yes, they are a little beat up, but that's okay. I'm just going to sand down each 2x4. You want to make sure you fix all imperfections that may be in the wood before applying any stain. And I'm just going to repeat this step to each piece of wood. So now I'm going to be using my leveler to have a straight line. Two of my 2x4s were off, so definitely make sure each piece is the same length before proceeding. After I have sanded out my edges, I'm going to be applying glue, and I'm going to stack my 2x4s on top of each other. And to hold everything in place and seal it down, I'm going to be using my clamps to tighten the wood. I now have everything stacked even and leveled out. I'm going to let this sit for an hour to an hour and a half just so everything can completely dry. Before removing my clamps, I'm going to sand everything down once again to remove any glue residue that I might have left over. I reapplied my gloves and removed the risers. I did test to make sure that the glue was completely dry. I am laying one of my 2x8s on the floor. I will be using the 2x8s as legs. I'm going to glue the inner corner using wood glue. I'm standing my 2x4s up and carefully placing them on my 2x8s. I also gave my 2x8s an hour to an hour and a half to dry. I'm back and reapplying my gloves for the 20th time today. I'm just testing to make sure that everything is completely dried up. I'm just going to repeat all of those steps for my other leg, which is a 2x8. I have enlisted my significant other to assist me in standing the table up because it's becoming a tad bit heavy at this point. This is where I am so far. I'm going to open the wood stain and begin applying the stain to the wood. This entire console table was done under $25, guys. I made this table for under $25. Oh, and I did not mention to you all that this was my first time ever building anything with lumber. And also, I did add nails to the table before applying the stain. And this is pretty much it for the console table, guys. So I did add a plant here. I'm going to add a riser to give it some, some height and just, an overall good look. These candle holders I got from this place called Sugarloaf Mills. It's like an outlet right outside of Atlanta. And these candles I got from Macy's Backstage. And the picture frame I also got from Macy's Backstage. This girl, don't know where she came from. Nah, just kidding, that's me. And this came from Michael's. And I'm not sure where I got this from. I got this about 2 or 3 years ago. This one came from At Home. Yes, I paid full price. I wasn't happy about that. And this candle, honestly, I got it from the thrift store. And I bought a lot of these candles. They were $1, guys. Like, I was like, but these are sparkly and shiny. I need that in my life. And this candle came from Macy's Backstage. Hey, I love Backstage. Better get on that Backstage, I'm telling you. So I'm done with this. I just added portraits of myself and my significant other up top. But I am going to add a basket down here. And maybe put like a quill or something in there. I don't know, something to spruce it up a little bit. So guys, that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment guys, and let me know what you guys think. Honest opinion. Was it an epic fail, or did I do myself justice, or this wall justice? It was a little, empty, so I was like, let me put something on this wall because it's completely empty and I did not like that. So, I think I did a good job for my first time. It was my first time, guys, so let me know honest opinions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment,